Are you thinking about buying a Tesla Model 3? Or maybe you already own one? Then this video is for you. Today, we'll go over the most common issues with the Tesla Model 3 and how you can fix them. Let's get started. Software bugs and system freezes. Tesla's over-the-air updates are great, but sometimes they bring unexpected bugs. Common issues: screen freezing, false notifications, random error messages, slow response from the touchscreen. Fix: if your screen freezes, press and hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel for a soft reset. Autopilot issues and phantom braking. Tesla's Autopilot is impressive, but it can also be unpredictable. Common issues: lane keeping problems, phantom braking, car braking unexpectedly, sensor misreadings. Fix: regularly recalibrate your cameras and keep them clean. Charging problems and battery degradation, 241 to 350. Electric cars are great, but slow charging isn't. Common issues: slow charging on third-party stations, decreased battery capacity over time. Fix: keep your charge between 20% and 80% to extend battery life. Use Tesla's recommended charging stations for faster results. Door handle and window issues. Tesla's sleek door handles are cool until they stop working. Common issues: frozen door handles in cold weather, windows not lowering when opening the door. Fix: use the Tesla app's defrost feature to warm up the car before opening doors. Wind noise and panel alignment. Problems hearing a loud whoosh sound on the highway? Here's why. Common issues: poor panel alignment, lack of proper sound insulation. Fix: adding door seal kits can reduce wind noise. Visit a Tesla service center for panel adjustments. Climate control and heating issues. Is your Tesla not heating up in winter? Common issues: inconsistent cabin temperature, loud fan noises. Fix: switch to manual climate mode for better control. If the fan is too loud, you may need a service check. Tesla Model 3 is a fantastic car, but no car is perfect. We hope this video helps you understand and fix some of the common issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.